Hello, everybody. Today is YOLO Bike Ride's 25th ride. So, it's a special occasion, and I decided to go on a solo ride today. With no destination in mind, I just hit the Hosur road and I thought I will just keep traveling for some time and then think whether I want to go to some place or not. So, with that in mind, I just kept riding on the Hosur road and I reached Sri Krishna Inn. It's a restaurant in Shulagiri, about 55 kilometers away. There, when I was having food, I talked to the locals and I asked them, is there something to check out around here? Some nice place, and they suggested me a beautiful location nearby. So I decided to just ride there and check out this location. So today we are riding to a place called Krishnagiri Reservoir Project Dam, or KRP Dam. This is just after Krishnagiri. You take a right and go about 4.5 to 5 kilometers inside. You come to this place, there's a huge parking lot. You will see big hills surrounding this place, and after this you just see a small gate nearby, which is the entrance to this dam. And when you enter this gate, you come across huge mountains, lots and lots of greenery. Basically, it's a huge park. Actually, this park was so crowded. I think this is the crowdiest place I have been since the lockdown. However, the place was quite big, so it was not a problem to maintain social distancing and all that. But please do wear your masks. The place was very cleanly maintained, and it was a nice place for all the kids to play and so on. And it was surrounded by greenery. The park was full of big trees and well maintained lawn and a lot of play area for the kids. At the end of this park, this pathway of the park was where the entrance to the KRP Dam was. These huge stairs lead to the dam, and halfway through, if you stand and look around, you will see the whole park, and you will see how green it is around and how beautiful it is situated in a location surrounded by mountains. It was really a wonderful sight to see. So when you enter from the park side through the stairs, you get this view of the beautiful park and of course the surrounding mountains. And then when I turned towards the dam, wow, I was just mesmerized about it. It was so peaceful, so calm, and just water and mountains into the horizon. I mean, I felt so happy that I decided to come to this place, even though it was an unplanned trip. I ended up visiting a very beautiful destination. Such huge places of nature always gives me a sense of serenity and a sense of humbleness. I always get humbled when I visit such places, so it was the same feeling here too. It was actually quite cloudy and was about to rain. I'm sure if there was sun out there, mornings and evenings would be so beautiful at this place. This place is about 105 kilometers from Bangalore, and it is right after Krishnagiri. Roads are really good, ideal for a short solo ride, safe for even girls to ride too, because there are not any roads which are lonely. There are always people around. So I thoroughly enjoyed this ride, and it was a beautiful place. If you do visit the place, let me know in the comments how you liked it. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video, and until next time, YOLO, you only live once.